Silver isn't just a shiny collectible. It powers much of the tech and healthcare we rely on every day. That industrial demand, it can make a real difference in its long-term investment potential. Most people think of silver as coins or jewelry, but its role in modern industry is huge. It is in circuit boards, solar panels, medical devices, and more. What does that mean for investors? Even when market demand slows, industries still need silver, providing a steady foundation for its value. The Why Precious Metals Guide points out that while gold is primarily a store of wealth, silver enjoys a double boost from both investors and industries. That combination of industrial necessity and historical investment appeal makes silver a versatile asset for a retirement portfolio. This is just one of 8 PDFs in the free Gold IRA Ultimate Guide bundle, alongside titles like the Company Integrity Checklist and Digital Dollar Report, all designed to give you a fuller picture before making any investment decisions. I've linked this guide in the description. If you want to see how silver's unique mix of industrial use and investment potential could fit into your retirement plan, download the full Gold IRA Ultimate Guide bundle. It's free, easy to understand, and packed with insights to help you invest with confidence. You can find the link in the description.